Hello and welcome back. I apologise for my last video, which was pure chaos. Yes, I removed the stick-on vinyl plank things that I had put on my wall a long time ago, which did look nice, then they didn't, and then, yeah, because I changed stuff in my haul, and now I've got a whole new vision for it that's come off the back of the disaster of the stickiness, like staying on the wall. I don't know what I included, to be honest, because I've not actually done that edit yet and kind of finished off the ending of the video. But the real story of what happened that night is that I was so very stressed about what on earth to do in the hallway to kind of fix the problem of the fact that there was sticky residue all on the wall, and I was just stressing a lot. Like Jim was laughing at me because the point before bed, I was in bed and I was literally just like doing this while chatting to him, like rubbing my temples because I was so stressed and I just didn't even know I was doing it. It was like a subconscious thing, unconscious thing. Anyway, so yeah, that's what happened to me that night. Then I couldn't sleep very well at all. I kept waking up, woke up really, really early in the morning as well. Just all that was on my mind was, what can I do about this wall? How can I make this look nice? My whole aim is, you know, was going to be this year to, next year, to make sure like the house is like immaculate, declutter, make everywhere beautiful, and then this wall is a bit of a mess. So I was just like, what do I do, what do I do, what do I do? So I have come up with a whole new plan, and I've even involved Jim and let him actually have a lot of input in this, actually, because I trust his opinions. He might not be the one who actually enjoys decorating, and actually, you know, that's me who goes crazy and does all these things, but every time he's thought of something and done it, and we've done it, it's always come out really, really well, and I just don't trust my opinions, and I just don't trust my ideas anymore, because my ideas are all over the place and I've got too much input from different things I see on Instagram of different looks, and I want to incorporate them all, and it's just too much. So a look that me and Jim really, really like is the industrial look, and it's something that we kind of did in his office room that came out so well, and it's really, really good. I know I wanted to keep the wall neutral, but we're going the complete opposite direction, as you can see from one of my samples on the wall here. We have chosen to go for this industrial look in the hallway, and I have been fighting with myself for the past couple of days, just thinking, is this a good idea? Is this a good idea? Is this going to go okay? Is this just going to look awful? But if we do this right, and you've kind of got to go all in on this look, it could be good if we do this right. So I'm going all in. We're going to do dark walls, very, very dark. I bought a light for the hall, so instead of this one single bulb here that used to have a really big lampshade on that I've taken off, basically so that I can see more in the hall, because the huge lampshade like dulls the light, and so I can't really see down the corridor, because this hall is an L shape, so it goes down here and then it goes off that way. It's just doors basically, because it's bungalow, and that's why we took the kitchen door off in the first place, was just because when you came in it was just doors. So now it has a bit more of an open feel. Anyway, so the plan is dark on the walls. To fix this issue, the whole reason this came about is because I'm going to put some panelling on the bottom. So to fix this issue of the ruined wall, I have bought some tongue and groove cladding from B&Q, and it's just like an untreated spruce wood. And do you know what? It wasn't too expensive either. So easy to install. I hope. I mean, I've not put them on properly yet, but you know, we hope. I think they should be done with a nail gun, but I don't have a nail gun, so I'm going to put them on with glue. But I think it's going to be okay. I know I put the last things on with glue, I know, and it was hard to take off, as in it ruined the wall, but I'm not going to take these off ever. If you see me in a video taking these off, you stop me. This isn't going to happen, this is going to be permanent. And they're going to be stained like a wood stain, quite a light wood stain, and then we're going to go dark on the top. The shelves are going to go back at rusticy shelves. Bought a really cool industrial looking light with the kind of warm white bulbs in to kind of give that warm lighting rather than a light one. And although I wanted the whole, I'm trying to make everywhere warmer, you'd think that going dark is going to make that not warm, but it's going to look warm with the warm lights, if that makes sense. It's not going to be light greys and white bulbs. It's going to be warm and cozy. That's the plan. It's about midday now, and I planned to start this so much earlier this morning, but I'd already bought a little sample part from B&Q of the paint yesterday, because I have learned my lesson about samples. You really need to sample paint. So I bought that yesterday, painted it on, and then gone, yes, let's go for this colour, which meant I had to go back to B&Q this morning to go and do that, and yeah, just things. I was a bit slower than I thought I'd be this morning. I filled in some holes. I'm going to sand them down in a minute. And genius, by the way, look at this clip of me taking out a wall plug. I didn't know how easy this was going to be. I've had some of them wall plugs stuck in my wall, those top ones, for ages. Yeah, literally years, and I just didn't know how to get them out. And then I just watched a 2-second YouTube video, and it was really, really easy. So you screw a nail in, then grab it with your pliers, and just pull it out, just like that. So those are done, so I'm gonna have a nice smooth finish up there, hopefully. Obviously leaving the other couple of holes up here for the shelves that are going to be reinstalled. So yeah, this is a bit of a brave look. I don't know whether the current haul table that I have at the moment is gonna go back in its place, because I don't know whether it'll work. I might have to get a new one. Yeah, so this is a very long intro, I know, but the whole look we're going for is the industrial look, kind of steampunky industrial look. Yeah, we're gonna need some more little accessories, even though I'm trying to keep the house minimalistic, so not too much, just some maybe funky pictures or something that's going to look bold in the front. So this is like my first cup of tea of the day, and I'm just like, oh my god, I need to go and see before I start this chaos. I am also gonna wear my overalls. Not getting paint on more stuff. I don't know whether I've got a paint covered t-shirt somewhere already. But I'm definitely wearing the overalls so I don't get any pants ruined. And don't forget, bear in mind, I'm also going to be painting the skirting boards. I bought a tin of Front Chic wedding cake shade, just in their normal Lazy Range matte form, so that it doesn't have a sheen and it's just nice and neutral, because I've previously done whiter than white, and it was too white. Especially with the dark walls, I feel like that's going to be like dark and then bright white. This is more of a muted white. It's lovely. It's such a nice shade. I'm so glad I found it, because I didn't want my skirting board yellowing. I didn't want to have to be repainting in Front Chic. It's brilliant and not having to do that, but I just didn't want it to be bright, stark white. So hopefully that'll create warmth. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be repainting, probably repainting this door a bit darker at some point as well, changing the handle. So hopefully they won't look too bad. Also bear in mind the flooring. That's the major thing. The flooring's going to be done throughout the hall and the kitchen. It's going to be hopefully like a light oak laminate. We've not chosen the exact shade yet. But hopefully it's going to be something like that, and that is going to brighten up the whole like area, but also bring so much warmth. So the fact there's going to be like wood on the walls, wooden shelves, wood floor, it's going to be so warming. I'm so excited about it. I'm just like, oh my god, this is the canvas I have to work with right now, and it's just a terrifying place to start. Wish me luck. Oh my god. This is the paint that I've gone for. It is Good Home from B&Q, but it's actually the Valspar range, the colour. It's called Arrowhead. It's a pretty damn dark grey, but we like it. It's gonna work. It's going to work, stay tuned.